The Muskrat Watershed project seeks to identify possible sources of nutrients in the watershed leading to the Muskrat Lake.
We're the Wamke Muskrat Watershed team, Julie, Sylvestre, Allison, Tanner, and Sarah Hall, two students from Algonquin College who are working with us on this project.
The map provides an overview of our sampling network. Our network includes a site here, which is a background site where we use that to understand natural background concentrations. And then two key clusters of sites which allow us to measure influence from the Muskrat River, which feeds into Muskrat Lake, as well as the Snake River catchment area.
I'm standing at Blacks Creek. This is our background site for the Muskrat Watershed Monitoring Program. It's important for us to capture natural background concentrations and measurements in order to understand what downstream influences are. You're at one of our water quality monitoring sites on the Mink Creek. It's an area that's potentially influenced by agricultural activities.
Hello, my name is Tanner from Algonquin College. We're here today at Mink Creek, coming out of Mink Lake, taking samples.
This is the Upper Harris tile drain. This whole area is influenced by agricultural activities. The water coming through this drain eventually meets up with the Snake River, and we're here collecting samples specifically looking at nutrient loading problems which might be contributing to the nutrients eventually which end up in Muskrat Lake. Welcome to our water quality monitoring station on the Muskrat River. The Muskrat River is also a contributor to the Muskrat Lake system, and we collect water quality information here to help us understand what its nutrient contributions might be. Allison and Tanner are standing in the stream at Black Creek. They're using a Sontag flow tracker to calculate discharge in the stream. We're standing at the location where the Muskrat River makes its way towards Muskrat Lake, and in the distance you can see the village of Cobden, and the village of Cobden actually gets its drinking water supply from Muskrat Lake. I'm standing next to the outfall for the Cobden sewage treatment plant. I'm standing here just to illustrate the point that as part of this study we want to make sure that we take into account all of the potential nutrient influences into Muskrat Lake.
Here you can see signs of agricultural activity up the bank. Other areas along the river, you can see that minimal buffers exist between agricultural activity and the river itself. In this spot in the river, the soybeans are actually planted right up to the stream bank.
In collaboration with our local partners, such as the Muskrat Watershed Council, the Ministry of Environment, the Renfrew County Cattlemen's Association, the Renfrew County Federation of Agriculture, as well as the Ottawa River Institute, the Muskrat Watershed project will look to address these issues systematically and holistically.
Over the next year, Algonquin College, working with its partners, hopes to identify key nutrient issues in the Muskrat Watershed and to compile and bring forward information for policymakers and the community.